Noisy garage door that jerks and grinds? It might be the rollers. That's what we found in Hickman, Nebraska. Their garage door rollers had cracked, rusted, and made a loud noise. We showed up the same day, swapped the old rollers with new nylon ones, and smoothed everything out. Now it's whisper quiet and runs like new. Need fast help with a loud or shaky door? Say goodbye to noisy garage doors for good. Call Titan Garage Doors, Lincoln, Nebraska at 402-576-5771. We're licensed, local, and ready to roll when you need us.